Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've come down to our friends at Flexible Motor Contracts where we'll be doing their new showroom floor. That's an impressive new space. Stay tuned, we're going to show you the whole process.
So obviously when we're doing big workshops like this, we always have to start at the shutter, making a nice straight line across the shutter for our ramp to sit. Obviously in this one, we've got a little bit of an angled wall here, but we've got it covered. The boiler's still banging in a few more full tiles, but I'm going to start on the clutch just to get this lined up. Right, so I've done quite a few of the marking off already. But the way we do it, we get the tile in like this. We use our metal ruler, nice and old school, but it works a treat. And we just literally measure off a mark, and then another mark here. Obviously what we try and do is we try and leave our original tile that we've just marked in place, just so we get that nice perfect line down the wall, leaving that 5mm expansion gap. Right, as you all know, we've got Tommy new to the team. He's doing all the sales, but we've got him doing grafting. Right, so we've had to bring the 18 in with us today. We've got the boys from Fire and Finish Flooring. We've got Lou and Kai working hard on today's job.